Hello guys, Jordan Rose here. I half an hour late as you can see, but I got here in the end. Thought I'd do a transaction was not successful, please try again. What are you doing to me?
Press B. It did it with me before.
Oh, alright, it's okay. We're in. And I got John Terry. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Woo! 433. You can see if he goes in the giveaway or not. I don't know who he is. He does not look beast. I'm claiming that one. I need some injury cards. I'm sick of people snapping me. No one wants that. Those sell. Veronin. Giveaway. To the giveaway. I don't think about anyone else. No. Timmy. We need. Pardon, Harrison?
No happy hour. Really.
No happy hour. Happy hour was 2 nights ago at midnight. I was up. I was looking at it thinking, what's the point? I've already got 96 Messi.
I showed him.
You did? Oh, I'm going to show him again. I love showing off my team. I love it. Haven't lost yet. Huddersfield though. Oh.
7-0.
Hang on. Aquilani! Oh. I got a manager 4-1-2-1-2. To the giveaway. To my tray pile. And you're mine. No.
Yeah, I got a red card for Sergio Ramos.
You got a red. Oh, honestly, you're so bad at playing FIFA, Harrison.
Yeah,
Stop getting red cards.
I told them that you could honestly see that I'm a dirty person.
You got pretty dirty. I'm hoping that's what she said. Whoop. Come on. Come in. Timmy. And. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's not even informed. Here for it. To the giveaway. Mine. Oh. I'm having that. None of them. I'm keeping those coins. And a couple more. I know. Come on.
You haven't had enough inform in a while.
Come on. Any of the informs, I don't care. They're all good. Anything. Please, EA. I'm begging you. Oh, why do that to me? Why give me Lopez? Why? Who wants Lopez? Seriously. He's like 1k. You know what? To the giveaway. Claiming these. Claim that. Ooh. I need a Spanish manager. Oh, third one. You're having a laugh. Porto. I'm having that. Junino. To the giveaway. Sinha. To the giveaway. Dagoberto. You can stay there. He's pretty poke. Who's that? Olic. Nah. I'm having those coins.
Not getting anyone.
One more silver pack. Oh my god. This is so tense.
Come on,
El Sharaway. Nah.
Marlos Michaelita.
Michael Leader. That's the best one. In my.
Or if there wasn't informed Dan Liam.
Oh, there was Harrison. We missed it. We never buy silver packs because the gold ones are too good. This transaction was not successful. Don't give me that. I'm sure I just. Oh, you know what? I've had enough of this. You okay, Ian? Dad. Pablo. I got a bronze.
That card.
Woo! I got a white man, black man. A rather modest black man. Coins! No one wants those. Ah, nothing.
What's our team like?
Nothing. If you, oh, how? Oh, it's so unfair. Look at that. I think it won.
That was a good team release.
Best one I've seen by far.
Danny Alves, Brzezinski.
That Chiellini came out early as well.
Oh, I know it came out last night, wasn't it?
Oh
No, 2 nights ago.
well, I think I'll live.
I want to get rid of Ozil.
Ozil? For who?
I don't know.
Right, anyway. I'll make a video of the giveaway team next. But likes are much appreciated. If you like it and you want to get in the giveaways earlier, you can subscribe. And to see, when I mentioned, I've had a couple of questions now on some of my videos asking what is the giveaway and like how do you get enter. Well, if you watch the next video after this, I will show you the team that is actually available to win in the giveaway, where I'll post a question on my page where the giveaways are hosted. We also do tournaments and raffles at www.facebook.com/therealgiveaway. No spaces in between it, obviously. And I think tomorrow I will be posting a question relating to my ultimate team or my life, and you have to answer it, and the first person to get it correct wins the team of all the players that I made up. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.